name is Ellen Talboom, and I'm not from Sedona, I'm from Cottonwood, and I attended Tom's retreat this past weekend and absolutely enjoyed it. Tom says you're going to write a book in 3 days or under, and I wrote my book in the first day. I came here and did what I needed to do, and Tom was right there saying, this is what is going to happen, so be prepared for it. And I was, and I did, and it happened. It's exciting to get the book out finally, after 11 years of having it inside. Yes, there's more to it. There's some revising and such like, but to actually get that book out was what I wanted to do and accomplish, and that's what I did, along with Tom's help and other mentors that were here as well. Had a great time. We get to cook out and eat, and that's a lot of fun, and it's the mingling, it's the group atmosphere. Everyone here, they're writing their own books, and they're in their own space and time, but we're all together. We're all sharing that same feeling, that same, this is what we want to do, this is what we came here to do, and this is what we're going to do. And we're accomplishing it in 3 days or under. It's awesome. It really is.